Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from oyabishyoutube.com, and today in this video I am going to tell you how you can design a very beautiful bootstrap 4 website by using some simple bootstrap 4 classes and HTML and CSS. Okay, so that is the navbar, and when you hover on it, the link color become pink, and it is totally responsive. Also you can see it. That is the logo, and that is the landing page, and that is some heading and all is there. Okay, so after that it's come the about us session, and this is the card only, and here I add some box shadow, so it's become 3D and it's look good actually. And this is some beautiful icon, I take it from Font Awesome. If you see my previous video also, you can see that I use it so many times. And here I actually make some CSS effect to look it better, and when you hover on it, it's the color getting changed, as you can see it. And here is some like about a session, like something. So here is the images, and here is the text. Here is also the same scenario, and here I use that parallax effect, like background is get fixed, and here I use the this card actually. And here is the heading, so it's looking very nice, and every single thing is responsive, and it is our team session like that. Okay, some images, and images also look very good after giving this box shadow. And here I use that border radius also, so it's looking very nice. And here is also another session, and here is the blog session, and here is the contact us session. And here I use that Google Map actually. I'll tell you how to integrate the Google Map in your website, that also. And here is the footer, so it's my name, and here I add some front of some social media icon. So even I'll give the whole link, whole code in my video description. I'll share the Google Drive link. I'll update everything in my Google Drive. From there I'll share you the link. From there you can download whole the code. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And I have just a request, please subscribe my channel and just share this video to all your friends in your social media account also. If you like, please share this video. Thank you. So let's start the coding now. So here I open my code editor Dreamweaver, and from there I have to make a new site. So site, new site, name as cafe new, and I have to take a folder also. I already make the folder name as cafe new, and okay, and I already make a folder name image img, and for the picture I need, I already integrate in this. Okay, so select folder and save. So now you have to right click on it and new file. Sorry, I think I gone inside it. Okay, you have to click in the site and create a new file. So name it as index.html. okay, and open it. By default it will open and standard HTML5 document. I do not need it. Come back to Bootstrap 4 official website. From there you just copy that started template or starter template, just copy it and paste it. Now I don't need this one, whatever in between this body, I don't need this. And change the title also, like cafe web SEO tips. Okay, now I have to add some CSS. For that, first of all I have to add another new file, name it as style.css. So now link up that style.css, and I need another file also to link up another CSS file. So for that you have to come to the browser and just type front awesome cdn. Okay, just copy the link, sorry, just copy it, and after that come back to the code editor and just link up this file as well. Okay, sorry, link up this file as well. So it's ready to code it now. Just save it. So you can check that all the file get front awesome css and style.css get linked it with properly. So now what I have to do, now I need that bootstrap 4 navbar. So just come back to here and just type in navbar. Actually I know how to code it, but I mean for shorten the video I'm telling you the shortcut. Okay, the navbar, you just type it, and I doesn't need this one because I doesn't need the search icon and all the thing. So just come back, and that is the main thing, this one I need it. Just copy the code from here and just come back here and paste it. Okay, so yeah, it's okay now. And now let's check how it's look like. So open that live code. Yes, of course I have to save it. So presently it will looking like that, only the navbar is coming here. And so now what I have to do, I have to add that what is so called the logo. I have to add it. Okay, so adding the logo, what I have to do, just remove that, and here I have to add the image. So img src and browse. So that is the logo. So okay, close it and save it. Let's check how it's look like now. Sorry, not this. Yeah, so you can check that logo is coming, but I need my website should look like that, means this link will be appear in the right side. So for that what I have to do, in the UL class just come in the code. Yeah, here I think, yes, just write that ml auto and save it. Let's check now. So you can check it, all the links gone in right hand side, ml auto. Okay, so let's add the CSS effect to look it like that. So for that come back to the code, CSS, open the style.css and first of all HTML and body, height will be 100% and width also 100%. So close it. Now what I have to do, sorry, here is some extra icon get added, so just save it. And in the source code I doesn't need this navbar light on BG light because I need some custom navbar. So what to do, just remove them both and add a custom class myNav, and I want the navbar should be fixed on the top position even when I'm scrolling the website. So add fixed top save it. Now I have to edit this my nav class. So dot my nav background color I need some transparent background color, so I am giving 0000 and opacity is 0.7. okay, so let's check it's working or not. Yeah, it's coming, but the main problem what happened that this is the not working properly because there is no transparent effect. So what I have to do, just make it as important. Now after that I have to change the link color, so dot my nav and after that nav link. Okay, so dot nav link, I have to change their color, so color will be white, so hash. Okay, and font size let's give it 18 pixel. So let's save it and check how it look like now. So if the font size become bigger and the color become white now. Okay, so now I want to change the hover effect. Means here you can see in original website when I hover the pink color is coming, okay, but in this it's not coming, so I have to add the CSS property. So copy the same thing again and paste it. Now on hover, the color should be deep pink. Okay, and save it now and check it. See, it's working now. Now here I have to change something because this icon is totally not visible. Okay, so for that I have to come in the source code and I have to make a small change here. The span class is there now, so I have to add one font awesome icon there, and I doesn't need it. This class is not needed, and just paste this font awesome class. Okay, so save it now and check. Okay, I think I have to change the CSS and let's make another preview. Okay, yeah, but I want this should be in white color, so for that I have to just come to code and CSS. So the class name I have to write, the class name is FA bars. Okay, FA bars, and I have to make it white, so color white. Save it. Now let's check it. Okay, you can see this become white now. So now I have to design this landing page, means this one, this background and this headings and all. Okay, so come to code editor, source code, So my nav portion get ended here. Just comment it. Navbar start here and navbar end is here. Now landing page start and landing page end. Comment it. Okay, for that let's take an ID. So div class is equal to home, now div class is landing text, close it. Now in between I have to write that heading and all, so I am taking a paragraph and class landing heading 1, right, OA will come to web SEO tips. It's my channel name. Okay, so after that I need another paragraph, class name, landing heading 2, and I need another class because I doesn't want to display it small devices only. It will be display or it should be visible in the medium and small devices like that. Extra small devices it should be hide. Okay, so d none, and d none is for not displayed in small devices and it should be displayed from small device or any larger devices. So d sm small devices block, so it will be not displayed in extra small devices but larger devices it should be displayed. So here I am typing some random text, save it. Now give one beer tag because I need one button, so beer tag. Now anchor tag h ref, I'm keeping it is as empty, and class name should be button LG because I need the big button, and bottom LG is bootstrap default class. Okay, and I need a class which I need a bottom only that outline should be in white color like that. So there is another by default class in bootstrap 4, it's predefined. So button outline and light. Okay, so in between I am writing that no more or something, no more. Save it and check how it's look like now. So here you can see that is it's displaying, but not in proper way. I mean, it's not looking like that. Okay, so I have to change the CSS. So do one thing here. Actually, I take the class, make it ID. ID. Okay, save it. Now come back to style set. For ID home, background image, URL, browse it, and I need this one. Now close it. Background position, here background position should be center and center. Now background attachment, it should be fixed, and background size, let's find it, cover, and width should be 100%, and height as well as 100%. So save it and check how it's look like now. As you can see, it's coming almost perfectly. That background is coming whole page and it's coming responsive way. Okay, now let's do that text. So for editing text, let's come back to the CSS again. So landing text, in landing text, position, I'm giving them absolute. Top should be giving 38%. I mean, it will come almost like in a middle of the page, like that. Text aligned should be centered. Okay, and after that width should be 100%, and after that color, I'm giving that white. Save it and check it how it's look like now. Okay, now I have to change the size of the text, so come out of that. So landing heading 1, font size I am giving 70 pixel, and text transform, I have misspelled it, text transform capitalized, means first word should be in capital. Okay, sorry, first letter in every word, first letter should be in capital. And for the second also, font size I am giving here approx, what should give 35 pixel will be okay. And after that text transform, that also capitalized. Save it now. It is the original website and I am doing work here. it's not coming. Why? Let's check why it's not coming. I think I may misspell something. Sure. Okay, I understand. Here I give that capital heading. It's a too small. Now it should work. Yeah, as you can see, it's come. So it's almost like original website. Okay, that is the website, and it's our project. Okay, so after that, what I have to do? I have to design this about a session. So come back to code, and here I have to comment that I'm going to start about session. So about session start, and about session end. So comment them both. Sorry, I have to give HTML comment. And here also. Okay, so in between taking div class, I am going to take container fluid, and another class I am taking as about. Close it. In between I am taking another div, and class is container. Okay, in between I am taking another div, let's give some space here. Now what I have to do? I have to design this about us text. Okay, so for that, div class will be row, and I am giving extra class name top heading, and here I am going to give some margin top. So margin top 5. Now let's close it. In between, div class will be called md5, called md12, md12. Close it. In paragraph tag about us, save it. So it's looking like that, very small about us session is about us is there. And now let's come back to code editor and check how it's look. I mean, I have to make some style sheet change. So dot, here I am going to change the about us session. So in between top heading, in between that paragraph, width should be 100%, text align should be center, color here I'm giving has 787878, and font size I'm giving 70 pixel. Text transform capitalized, close it, save it. Let's check how it's look now. Okay, it's perfect. So now come to the main code. Here after that, sorry, it should be in between that, I think. Yeah, here in between the container. Okay, so here I am taking another row. Div class is row. Here I am giving that margin top 5 and margin bottom also 5. So close it. Now I want like to design like that, so each column each row 3 column is there. Okay, so call md4 I have to use. Okay, so div class call md4. Okay, so in between I have to take a card. So div class is equal to card, card, close it. In card I need this icon, this coffee mug icon, and for the find the icon I am going to tell you one thing. Just come in the front of some website, just whatever the icon you want, just like coffee, you type some, or cup, whatever you need, just type here, it will come automatically. Regarding corresponding icon you can pick up and you can write your code. Okay, that is the official website, and you have to just type here whatever the icon you want. So all is the icon, and corresponding code, when you click it, they will give one code, and you just copy and use in your website. Okay, so for that the code I have to write. I know the code actually. So this is the code for this coffee mug. Now div class will be card body. Okay, now in between div class will be card title. Tasty coffee. Okay, now after that come down, div class is equal to card text. Space some random text here, save it. How it's look like, check it first. That is my website. Yeah, so it's coming like that. Now similarly I need more 2 time, means more 2 card like that. So just this call md4 session I need more 2 time, so just copy it, paste it another 2 time. Now come to original website. I have to change this text as well as this icon, so you can copy from here also. So like change it and text also. For the next one, change the heading and change the text. Sorry, 1 minute. Copy it and paste it. So now what I have to do, how to search the icon I am going to show you now. So this is the clock icon now. So come to the website of the front awesome. Yeah, this is the one. I need that clock, so just type the clock. See, this is the clock icon, just you have to click it here. See, this is the code, so you have to copy it from here. Okay, and you have to paste it in that place. Similarly, I need the track icon, so type track. So copy it and paste in that place. So hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Okay. So unnecessary yes. Okay. Save it. Check how it's look like now. So that is my website. Yeah, this one. Refresh it. Yeah, this icon is coming, but I have to give some style. I mean, I have to add some CSS effect to look it like that. Okay, so open my CSS style set. Okay, so CSS style set here I want all the text of the card should be aligned in center. Okay, so card 1 comma card 2 comma card 3, text align should be centered. Okay, and for them border should be none. Save it, check it how it's look like. So border gone and all the text become center aligned. Okay, now I have to add the border radius for the card. Radius, so border radius I am giving 0 pixel, 30 pixel, 0 pixel, 30 pixel. Okay, now I have to add that box shadow. But it's a big code, so pause the video and copy it properly. So let's check how it's look like now. Okay, it's coming like that. So now I need to change this icon now. So come to code editor, dot card, and in between that I tag, color deep pink, and font size I'm giving a 60 pixel, and margin top I'm giving 25 pixel. 25 pixel. Save it, check it how it look like now. Yeah, it's come good. Now I need to edit some this heading and card heading and card text. Okay, so for that, dot card and dot card, in between that card title, font weight should be bold, and font size I am giving 25 pixel, and color I am giving dim gray, and similarly for the text of the card dot card text, for that color I am giving as 737373, and font weight I am giving as 600. Okay, so save it and check now. Yeah, it's quite perfect, almost to look, it's looking like that. Now I need to change the color of that, because when you hover on that you can see some effect, the color changing effect is happening. Okay, so for that, dot card 1 and card 3, background color now I am giving that this, and transition I am giving as 1 second. Now for the same thing on hover, means just copy it again, paste it on hover, and for that also on hover I am making it as little lighter, means 0.5, and remaining will be same. Similarly for card 2 I am giving this property, okay. And for card 2 on hover, I am giving this property. Save it and check how it's look like or how it's working. Yeah, it's perfect now. Okay, so now what I have to do, that about us session is over. Now I have to design this, okay, this session. So now I have to design this session. So further, first of all, write the comments. Why you come to here, start, and just copy it again and paste it again. Okay, so in between I have to write the code for this session. So first of all, take a div class should be container fluid. Okay, so after that I have to take some custom class. Yeah, it's a bootstrap defined class. pt5 means margin top 5, sorry, padding top 5. And after that taking the another class, it's a custom class bg gray. I'll define the property later for the back, making the background gray color like that. And padding bottom also I'm giving level of 5. Okay, so close it. Here I have to take another container, so div class will be container. Okay, close it. Now div class is equal to row. Here I have to take that heading one. Here in this row, let's take a custom class top heading and margin top 5. Okay, for the top heading I have to make the property later. I already in about our session you already can see that. Okay, so here I am taking another div and call md should be 12, so it will be in full width. Okay, so call md 12. In between I have to take one paragraph tag, and in paragraph tag I have to write why you come here. I mean for what you known for, like that. So after give some space, I have to just take that copy. Actually this one, for what we known for this session, I take it actually. Okay, so it's come perfectly. Now I have to design this portion, means in a single column the right hand side should be image and left hand side will be text, and in down column also this left hand side will be text and right hand side is image. Okay, so what I have to take, it should be in a row call md6 or call sm6, so better to take call sm6. So come down here. First of all I have to take div class should be row, and here let's give the margin top of 5, 4 also. Okay, here I'm giving 4. So after that div class call sm6 means in half width. Here in between that I have to mention that image tag, so img source src. Let's browse that image 2, image folder, second image. Okay, so close it. Okay, yeah, take some class. The class should be that image fluid, so it will make the image responsive. image fluid, and here I am taking another class named hero image. It's a custom class, hero image. Okay, so now give the alt attribute here, and alt attribute make that img2. Let's close it now. Now I have to take another call sm tag. Okay, so after this ending of the call sm, take another call sm tag. So div class call sm6. Okay, so here h3, in h3 class heading in between this hero heading homely atmosphere. Now take another paragraph class hero text, hero text, text, or hero paragraph, let's take hero paragraph. In this hero paragraph, take some, copy some random text, paste it. Okay, here I give that br tag for break row purpose, and now I have to design this button. So for this button, after come down to the paragraph tag. Okay, br slash should be there, yeah, or br also. Okay, better to give the br slash. So downside, take that anchor tag, a href. Href means h reference, means it's I'm keeping it empty. Okay, now I have to make the class will be button. Now button btn lg. Let's take the medium one, lg is not required. Acha, I have to take that custom button. Now make it first of all medium md. Now take that custom button, so custom button. Okay, now here I have to write view more. Okay, save it. Now I have to copy this column d6, and after that I have to paste it down. Sorry, I do a mistake. Actually I have to take that whole row, not only column d6. So take the whole row from that call sm6, I mean whole row, both call sm6 should be there. So copying the whole row here and copy it and come down and paste it. Now here I have to change that this should be come later, means after that this call sm6, just paste it down. So save it. Yeah, so it's coming, but that image and the the text effect and image effect is not coming. So I have to make some CSS. You can see here the corner is little curvy. Okay, and text also you can see, and this background also I have to change it. Okay, for that I have to come back to the and button also. You can see that the button is also not coming. This effect should come. So let's come to code editor and come to style sheet. Just paste it white and make it end. In between for corresponding to this portion, all the CSS should be mentioned here. So first of all, taking the custom bottom class, and here I have to mention the properties. First of all, background color should be white, and border color, now border color I'm giving deep pink. Okay, color should be dim gray. Okay, so after that transition, 1 second, let's copy the whole thing now, because I have to make another properties for hover. I paste it and down on hover. Sorry, let's misspell it. HOVER, hover. Just I have to change that white color with deep pink to white. Okay, that background color should be deep pink, DWP PINK, deep pink, and that border color should be white here. Okay, done. So now check it. Yeah, it's coming perfectly. Now I have to change that hero image and hero text and hero paragraph and hero title, everything. So dot, yeah, let's take the BG gray ones. So BG gray, here I am giving the background color as gray. Okay, background color, I am taking has F0. It's a grayish color. Okay, check. Yeah, background color is coming now in grayish. Okay, so now I have to change this image, paragraph, and heading. So dot hero, heading, so pink heading I want, so color should be deep pink, and font size should be what to give 35 pixel. Okay, and now hero paragraph, for that color should be 767676, and font size again let's take the font size 18 pixel. Now hero image, hero img, for the hero img, border radius 0 pixel 30 pixel, again 0 pixel 30 pixel. Okay, check, it's coming perfectly, the curvy corner is coming. Okay, now I have to design this portion, reason to visit us. So copy it, come down, reason to visit us, start, and reason to visit us, and just comment it and paste it end, and again comment it. So now here first of all take div class is equal to container fluid, and here reason to visit I am taking a custom class for further change actually in CSS. So reason to visit, close it. In between take div class is equal to container, okay, close it. Now I need the same text, I mean this heading type, so just come to top, I mean this text I need actually, so it and this it looks similar, so that I can copy it from upper portion. Yeah, just copy this portion because everything will be same. So come down, paste it. Have to write reason to visit us. Okay, let's check. Yeah, reason to visit us. Now I have to come down. Here you can see in original design in a single row call MD3, call MD3 and call MD6. I divided like that, in downside call MD3 and remaining call MD3, and remaining portion become empty. Okay, and here I have to design this button in extra. Okay, so here I am using actually cards, only the card title and card body is there, and in this only the extra bottom is there. Okay, so let's come back to code editor. So here I am taking one row, and I have to take some padding top of 5. In between this row I have to take call MD3, sorry, div class call MD3 and close it. In between I have to take card div class, sorry, div class card, close it, div and class card body, close it, div class card title, and title let's give our team, after closing div class card text, in between this card text give some random text. After finish it, take a span tag, span, and so let's span and class here I am taking a custom class ping text. Okay, and close it, and in between write learn more, learn and some multiple dots. Okay, So here let's take here a random custom class, that card 4, because I already use card 1 to 3. Okay, so here I'm taking that card 4. Also in top session actually I made a make a small mistake. Yeah, here I mentioned SM, here should be SM. Okay, as well as here also SM. Okay, so let's come back to here. So save it. Now I need this more one time, so just copy it, and after ending this just paste it, and again I need another time, but in this case it should be called md6, because 3 3 6 here you can remember this 3 and this one 3 and this one 6. Okay, but here the text should be little different, so come back here and just remove it. What is it? Sorry, copy it here and paste it, and here this one, and this one. Okay, use on break row tag. Now in this case I doesn't need this, in fact here I need a button, so a class button LG means I need the large button, and custom button I already specified it. Okay, so here that view more or something, some random text. So save it. Let's check how it's look like now. Okay, so I need another row, and so just I need 2 time, I doesn't need this one. Okay, so just copy the entire row again, like where the row is started. Let's copy the entire row, copy, and after ending this row just paste it, but in this case what to do, I doesn't need this one, so remove it and save it. So let's check, it should come perfectly. Yeah, so now what I would do, I have to mention some background image there. As you can see here, I need to mention this background image. I need to change this color of the text here, because this and that is little different. Okay, so as you can see it is little different. So for that what I have to do, I have to mention one style. Here I am going to use inline CSS. So let's find out this title, where it is gone, our team, this one. Okay, so I'm giving style and this color. Okay, save it. Now you can check that the color gets changed. Okay, see, now what I have to do, I have to change the background image, and I doesn't want this border, this card border. Okay, so come back to CSS. Okay, and just come back to CSS, style set, so start and just copy it again and save it. So in between let's write reason to visit us dot, just copy because it's a very big class. Okay, so I doesn't want to, yeah, misspell or something, so better to copy it from here and come back here and yeah, return to visitors. In this one, so background image should be URL, and I have to select the fourth one, this one. Okay, and I need to background size BSC should be cover, background attachment should be fixed. Background size, background attachment, and background position also is important. So background position should be center and center, center and center. Save it. Now check it how it's look like now. Okay, it's come. Now I have to make this card transparent and I doesn't need this border. Okay, and okay, and another thing I have to change it, this heading I have to make it pink, as you can see here. Okay, so let's come back to Dreamweaver. So first of all, card4 I have to make it dot. Okay, so here I would do that card4 background color might be transparent, background color transparent, and border should be none, border none. Now pink text dot pink text, color deep pink. Okay, done. Save it. That border should gone and the color should be pink now. Acha, that's not there. So make the title differently because I apply the color for this one only. So learn more, it's come little bit. Better to do something. Okay, so come back to here and for card4 in between card title, color deep pink, and for the card4 card text, color elemental blue, and font size make it 18 pixel. Save it, check it now. Okay, but for any reason this is not coming properly. Let's check what happened. So this bottom is working perfectly. What happened here? So margin top of 4. Okay, actually what happened, I mentioned it inside the text, that card text. So cut from here and paste it after that. should be fine now. Check it now. Yeah, it exact now. Okay, it's coming perfect. So now what I have to do, this is the working fine and it's almost look like that, and the parallax of effect also working perfectly. So now I have to design this meet our team session. Okay, so here write some text. Team start. Team end. Okay, so here let's take a container fluid div class container fluid, and here taking a random class name as team, and margin bottom I am giving here 5 pixel. Now I am taking another container, and close it. In between I have to take the same thing like about a session, like that only. So what the text, let's see what I meet our team. But here one different is there. There is a semi head, I mean subheading, you can tell it. So but in upper session there is no subheading. Okay, so for that what I have to do, taking one h4 class making text center, text center, and margin bottom I am giving 5 pixel, and in between what the text is there, just copy it, so paste it. Okay, so done. Now after come down here I have to take a row, and because I have to design this one, as you can see, mean 3 card I have to take, and I have to take it call MD 4 actually, so total 3 will be there. So it is the card image and card title and card text, like that. Okay, and after that I need to edit some CSS to give this box shadow effect and border radius. Okay, so come down here. So here I am going to take a row, so div class is equal to row, and in between this row div class will be call MD4, in between div class is equal to card, and here I am taking a custom class card team. So here taking that image class image class will be card image top. It is a bootstrap predefined class. Card img top and source. So save it. After that, source browse team1. Okay, close it. Now I have to take the card body, so div class is equal to card body. Okay, close it. Now div class is equal to card title. Okay, sorry, in that card title write the name some arena Roy or something. Drawing something. After that, another div class will be card text. Here I have to write some random text. Okay, so I need this type, this call md4 more 2 times in this row, so copy it and after that paste it again paste it again. Okay, now how I have to change, I have to change this images like team2 and team3. Okay, yes, okay, so team4 maybe, yeah. So let's save it and check how it's look like now. Scroll it down. Okay, it's coming, but here I have to make some changes, like I have to make some add some box shadow and all, and border radius also. Okay, so let's come back to the CSS, team start and team end. Okay, so here what I have to do, first of all I have to remove the border, so for card team border should be none. Now for card team I want this images that border radius should be little bit curvy, and the box shadow also I want to give some. So card team and in between card image top, card image img and top. Okay, so in this card image top, what I have to do, that border radius border radius border radius, the border radius I am giving here 0 pixel 30 pixel 0 pixel and 30 pixel. Okay, so save it, check how it's look like now. Okay, so this effect is come. Now I want to give some box shadow. Okay, show yeah, this done. So after that I need to add some box shadow. So box shadow, I already make the box shadows coding. Okay, just out of the course, actually out of this tutorial, I just want to tell something about one website, that is that box shadows website. Okay, here whatever you want, this is the box, and you just actually toggle it. The code will be automatically get generated, means like it's you want to shadow in horizontally or vertically in this vertical length. Okay, so and this blur effect and square radius, whatever you want, you can toggle from here. Again, you can change the color, and after this you have to just give the class name and just copy the code from here and paste there. Okay, that's it. So here, so I lost my live code, I think, so save it. Okay, so check it now. See, the shadow effect is coming properly. Okay, I also use that website for using this box shadow actually. Now what I have to do, just change the name and this text little bit. Okay, so come back to here and just make some like Rosie. Nice. What about the name? Actually, I'm using some custom name. Like whatever. Okay, so yeah, here I am actually, it's a dummy project, so I am keeping the text same as it is. Okay, if you want you can change it. Okay, yeah, this one will come bigger, so let's change the code here. Title, okay, that's perfect. So after that, what I have to do, I have to design this portion. So for that, here I have to take one background image and some text and one button. Okay, so here I am giving that container name as Parallax effect. Okay, so here I am coming down here. Sorry for the background noise actually, because some working is going on. So here give the name as Parallax effect. And so let's comment it. Okay, now here I have to take a container fluid, div class will be a container fluid, in between I have to I have to take another container. So here I have to give some random name. So let's close it first. I am giving a class name proud. Okay, and in this container take another row div class row and top heading padding top and padding bottom, both I am giving 5 pixel 5 pixel. So like padding top 5 and padding bottom also I am giving 5. So let's save it. In this row, what to do, like I have to take a call md12 class will be call md12, and here I am taking one paragraph, and here I am using some inline style only. So style like previous, and to get white, and there's some random text here, and take another h4 and class should be text center, and margin bottom I am giving level 4, and text should be in white color, so text light, so light. Okay, so close it, and here also let's give some random text. Yeah, just paste it here. Let's save it. How it's look like, check it. It should come. Yeah, it's coming like that because I have to add now the background. Okay, so better to come back in CSS portion. Just copy it because I need it. Come to CSS, so after team, let's comment them both. Here also have to comment it. Okay, so in this, first of all, for the proud class I have to give the background, so dot proud background image URL. I have to select the image 5, this one. Okay, anyhow I'll give all the images in whole code also for your practice purpose. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so now background attachment should be fixed. Background attachment should be fixed. Background color should be covered. Background side should be covered. Cover. And background size and background position should be centered. Background position should be centered and centered. That's it. Let's check how it's look like. Parallax effect should work now. Okay, it's coming. Now what I have to do, I have to do this button. So let's, because button is not there, so just come back to source code, and after this h4 actually I have to take that button. So for that, just come out after that h4 tag, take a paragraph, and the class should be text center, and close it. Here use a anchor tag, and class should be, you know it because I already use it, button. After that button lg, after that custom button, close it, and add that or now or something. Save it and check it. See, the beautiful button has come here. So after that, I have to design this blog session. Okay, blog session is almost similar to this team session actually, because there is nothing different. Okay, so just come to here, and the source code, blog start, and blog end. So let's comment them. In this, I have to take a container, and I am giving the margin bottom as 5. Close it. So in between, the top heading is again needed, so I only make a copy of that and use this code so many times. Here you can see this portion I needed it. Okay, so okay, this heading is come here. Now what to do, I have to take a row, class is equal to row, and here I have to give some margin top. So margin top I am giving 5. Close it again. So div class, here you can, in my original design you can see, so 3 item is there in a single row, so call md4. Okay, so come back to the code, call md4. So in between that, again I have to take a card, div class is equal to card and card blog. It's a custom class. And here I have to use the image class, it will be card image top, card image, sorry I misspelled it here, this would be card image top, and source is our source, browse the image. Here I have to take the 6th one. Okay, and close it. You can give the alt text also, but here I am not giving. So here you have to card body, so div class will be card body, and in card body div class is equal to title in the title like some awesome coffee or something. So A W S O Amy, let's misspell it. A W awesome coffee. Okay, so after that div class name giving as card text, card text, and here I have to give some custom text. Control V, and again I need the span class. Before also I use it. Span class is equal to ping text, and in between like read more and dot 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 dot. Save it. So this portion I need more 2 time, so copy it, just 2 time, change that 7 and 8, and change this also. So friendly stuff, or what should write here, like tasted delights or something. Save it and check it. Okay, now again the same thing I have to do. I have to change this text, I mean the title and the text, and the image should be apply the border radius and box shadow. Okay, so come back to CSS again. So blog, after that CSS, blog start and blog end. So comment them both. Okay, okay, so here dot card blog, card blog border should be none. Okay, after that card block and card image top, card blog in between, card img top, border radius 0 pixel, 30 pixel, 0 pixel, 30 pixel. Save it, check it how it's look like now. Okay, so it's coming perfect. It's my original design and it's coming almost perfectly. Okay, so now I have to design this contact us session. Okay, after that contact us session I have to design it. So come back to TeamViewer, source code. So now let's design that final session, means this one, contact us session. Okay, so for that I have to make that this heading text, and I have to divide it call MD4. Okay, and here I have to integrate the Google map. Okay, so let's start the coding now. contact start and contact end. Let's comment them. Okay, so here first of all take a container fluid. So div class is usually container fluid, and here I am taking another custom class named contact, and I am writing that bg gray. I already mentioned it in before actually, to make the background grays. Okay, so now let's take a container. Div class will be container. Okay, sorry, so now what to do, take that div class will be a row, and after that top heading, close it. After that div class will be column 12, close it. In between I have to write that paragraph called contact us. Okay, take the paragraph tag and write that contact us. Okay, so save it and check it's working or not. Yeah, it's come perfectly. Oh, so I think I do the mistake. Yeah, I make that CSS comment. Actually I have to give that HTML comment. Okay, so be careful. And this one, I have to comment in HTML comment, and here also HTML comment. Okay, so save it. Now it will look fine. It should look fine now. Yeah, it's come perfectly. So now what I have to do, I have to take a column and divide in 3 portions. Okay, so yeah, after that, so div class is equal to row. Let's give some margin top. So margin top I'm giving 4. Okay, and now let's div class call md4. Okay, close it. So what I have to do, I have to design like that. So address, make it a h4 tag and remaining normal. Okay, and this is the font awesome icon. I already tell you how to find the icon. So it's for email, it's for call, it's for Facebook, it's for fax, like that. Okay, you can search there, because here I'm going to write the direct code to sort the video actually. So take a h4 tag here, and in this h4 tag write that address address and colon, and after address let's take the paragraph tag, paragraph. Okay, so here I'm going to write some custom code. Okay, and give that break tag once, break tag. After that I have to take another paragraph tag. Now give the font awesome icon for the mail, colon, write my mail ID. It's my original mail ID. You can contact us through that. After that, for phone number, so +91, I'm giving my original number 739640367. Okay, in the paragraph tag, take another paragraph tag. Now I'm giving that Facebook icon. Again same thing, that colon, and my Facebook page. Okay, and after that, my fax. This is a dummy. I don't use fax, but for this purpose, actually for the website purpose, I just give some dummy number. Okay, so some dummy number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, whatever. Save it and check how it's look like now. I think it should be look fine. Yeah. Okay, now I have to give the timing and all. So come back to the code. I have to design this session in opening hours. Okay, so code will be almost similar like that. So after this call md4, I have to take another call md4. So div and class will be call md4 again, md4, close it. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, so here also the same thing. I have to take one that heading h4 tag, h4, and opening hours. Open hours, and after that I have to take some multiple paragraph. P Monday, so let's make it capital, will look better. Again another paragraph, Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, now make active that multi cursor. So every day I'm writing that 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, let's keep the single space only, because by default it will come in single only. That's the rule of HTML. And another thing, I also forgot it. Just keep that colon, and I don't need this, so save it. Hope it worked fine. Let's check. Yeah, I think I forgot to mention the row. Let's check. I think I do that mistake. Okay. I actually, what happened, After that I have to take that this row. Yeah, so do one thing, just cut all the thing. After this column d4 you have to paste it. Okay, now save it, it should fine. Excuse me. Yeah, it's working fine here. And now I have to integrate that Google map. Okay, so first of all you have to open that Google map. Okay, Google map means here you can see the map. Okay, you have to select your location. Where is your location? Okay, like that. Okay, so just click on it. Here you will see the share. From the embed map option will become, and I need the small one. So after that copy HTML, and after that what you have to do, just come to code. After ending this, take another div, class is equal to call md4, close it. Okay, and here just paste it. That's it. Save it now, and now come back to the live preview. Yeah, it's working fine, you can see it. Okay, so now what I have to do, the end person, this one means I have to take this one, and this some icon is there, front some icon. Okay, that's called the footer. Okay, so let's come back to the code editor. So here how to mention that footer, to extra space, it's not look good. Okay, so the footer start and footer end. Footer, I can do the same mistake. Footer start and footer end. So footer and class container fluid, okay, close it, in between take container, and padding top and padding bottom should be given. So padding top I am giving level 3, and padding bottom also I am giving level 3. Okay, and here I am taking one row, so div class will be row, and after that class will be call md4 offset md4. Just take some random text. Okay, okay, so after that sorry, yeah, it's fine. After row Okay, okay, so after that, here div class will be column d4 and text orientation should be right, so text right. And after that, take all that I tags. This is for Facebook, this is for Twitter, this is for Instagram, and this is for LinkedIn. And after that, closing the div. Save it, check how it's look. Okay, everything is okay, but I have to make the background is black, and this icon and text color should be in white. So for that I have to come to that footer session, sorry, in CSS. So let's come to CSS and write footer start. Okay, comment it. So here I have had it right, that footer background color, so background color should be black, color should be white, and font size I'm giving like the 20 pixel. Save it, check it. Okay, perfect. Now you can notice that when I open this website, okay, so it's working perfectly. Okay, about a session, so you can notice that everything is in responsive way, every single thing is in responsive. So I think if you like this video, please do share this video with your favorite friends and in social media also. And I just request, please subscribe my channel, because if you subscribe my channel, then it will just give some motive to make another video. And yeah, I know this video is very long, so sorry for that, and I'll try to shorten this video from my next, because actually what the problem, I try to explain each and every line to you. Okay, so that's why this video become longer, and my typing speed also little slower, so that's why. Okay, anyhow, thanks, we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.